Dear students, after completion of cosmetics for eye makeup as well as the explanation of various deodorant and antiperspirant, explanation of bleaches as well as explanation of lipstick bleaches as well as explanation of aftershave lotion, anti-spice, antiperspirant and deodorant. We are going to start now today explanation related with the cosmetics which is applied on hair. In that, first is shampoo, where explanation of shampoo as well as the hair dressing, various ingredients which are used to remove hair, the detailed explanation related with the cosmetics in terms utilized in terms of on hair. Now all of you very well known about the shampoo's preparation. Everyone has applying shampoo. So in general word, what will be the definition of shampoo? How will you define shampoos? What are the different ideal characteristics and what will be the point of formulation consists so as to prepare a shampoo? What are the different types of shampoo? That we will observe in case of explanation of cosmetics related with hair, that is shampoo. So, in general, shampoos may be defined as a preparation containing surface active agent which are used to remove dirt, grease or debris from the hair and scalp or other parts of the body without affecting the natural gloss of hair. That is, what is it? That is a preparation which is containing surface active agent which are used to remove dirt, grease and debris from the hair and scalp and used to affect on hair without affecting the natural gloss of hair. Shampoo is also used to keep the hair fragrant, luster, soft and manageable. For which purpose shampoo you also utilize? That is used to keep the hair fragrant, lustrous, soft and manageable so as to prepare various hairstyles. Many times the hair is not easily adopt that hairstyle. During that time, after application of shampoo, the hairs become manageable for various hairstyle here itself. Some shampoos are used to manage hairstyles, some shampoos are used to soft the hairs as well as some give luster to the hair. Various shampoos try to enhance all this purpose whenever it is utilized. In majority of cases, shampoo are water soluble solutions or suspension prepared by dissolving cleansing agent in a suitable liquid in a suitable vehicle, and which is used again addition of various types of other agent to improve the functions of shampoo. The majority of shampoos are prepared nowadays in a modern method. Majorities of shampoos are prepared by utilizing the synthetic detergents here itself. Generally, the shampoos are prepared or shampoos are having the various ideal characteristics. In that, first qualities of ideal characteristic, that is shampoo always ideal characteristic is that it should be non-toxic, non-irritant. It should be capable of removing grease, dirt and skin debris from the scalp of hair and hair. That is, it should provide sufficient fragrance to the hair after its use. That is, it should be effective in a small amount. It should get easily removed by washing with water. It should produce a sufficient foam both in hard and soft water. It should be active in both. Many times in a rural area water is hard, or many times During that time, due to the presence of salt, the shampoo should not work properly. So shampoo should be such a product that produces sufficient foam both in hard and soft water. It reduces the fulfillness and smoothness. It reduces the fluffiness and smoothens the hair shafts. It makes the hair soft and shiny. What is it? It makes the hair soft and shiny. So what are the ideal characteristics of shampoos? What is the shampoo? Shampoo is a preparation in which there is a suitable surface active agent or cleansing agent is added in a suitable vehicle in a liquid so as to remove the debris, dirt and grease from the hair and hair scalp, which is also used to improve the texture of hair, which is used to provide luster, softening and fragrance to the hair. That is about the shampoos, where the different nowadays the different shampoos are prepared by utilizing the various synthetic agent, and whenever the ideal characteristic of shampoos are considered, the first important, it should easily remove dirt, grease and debris from the hair and hair scalp. It should be non-toxic. Third, it should be non-irritant. It should provide the sufficient foam in hard water and soft water. It should give softness and fluffiness, shiny structure to the hair, as well as it should be effective in small concentration, in small amount. It should provide sufficient fragrance to the hair after its use, and it should produce easily, it should remove easily by washing with the water. These are the very ideal characteristics of shampoos which are necessary to be considered whenever shampoos are applied here itself. Various types of shampoos are available in market. That is, first, the shampoos available in market. That is, first is different 9 types of shampoos are available in market. First is medicated dandruff shampoo. Second is powder shampoo. Third is clear liquid shampoo. Fourth is gel shampoo. Fifth is soap shampoo, as well as cream or paste shampoos, liquid cream or lotion, while the baby shampoos, and the next important, that is the after baby shampoo there is a aerosol shampoos are also available. Means various types of shampoos are available in market. That is the classification or types of shampoo is that is first that is the medicated dandruff shampoo. Second important, powder shampoo. Third important, clear liquid shampoo. Fourth is